Hello and welcome to this tutorial to show you how to connect to a remote server at UMass Lowell. So first of all, if you want to connect to a remote server or your CS account to access the Linux operating system, so first thing you need to install this global protect, which is provided to you, and how to connect to UML VPN. So first of all, you need, if you are off campus, then you need to connect to this and make sure that it is connected to be able to access the remote server. So here I connected this. I use my student UML account to be able to log in. So now it is connected. So I can now just go to Windows PowerShell if you are in Windows, and if you are in macOS, then you can just use the terminal. So here I'm using Windows, so I go to Windows PowerShell, and the first thing you can do here is to SSH to your CS account. So username, so you can hit here, enter your username at cs.uml.edu. So this username actually is the username or among the credentials provided to you by the CS department, so to access Learn CS website. So in my case I have this one. So when you enter your when you SSH your username as cs.uml.edu, it will pop up this to ask you for your password. So the password again is the same provided to you, sent to you by email, and that is your CS account credentials. So I can enter my here, and the password doesn't show up, so that's fine. You can just type it and hit enter, and here you go. You are now connected to a remote Linux server or operating system, and in our case we are using the Ubuntu version, long-term support, and this is actually a Linux operating system. So here you can start working on your projects, on your Lab 9, using only Linux command lines. So imagine this is the terminal, and you are in Linux, and you can start using your command lines in this terminal. So quick demonstration here. So I want to list all my folders in this in the parent pad. So I list all the folders. I hit ls and hit enter. So I have these two folders here. So let's say I want to remove this folder lab 9. So remove recursively lab 9. So I remove all the files that are in this folder recursively. So if I enter this again, and this lab 9 folder is gone. So if I want to create this folder again, I can just make directory with, and then the name of the folder, and now this folder is created. So again, lab 9 is there. So if I want to show the current working directory, so pwd is the working directory. So I am at this pad. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, you can email me at cozy@techlive.edu.